Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how you can make this Google Sheet to public. So open your file and click share option in the top right corner, and this file is restricted but you can change to public. On the general access you can select this anyone with the link, and you can adjust for the rules as a viewer, as a commenter, or as an editor. Just click this one, and you can copy link for share to anyone that you like, and just click down. So this Google Sheet was published. It's basic, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can also click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.